Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about prepositions. Prepositions indicate relationships between other words in a sentence. Prepositions tells us where something is or when something has happened. Prepositions often tell us where one noun is in relation to another. For example, the coffee is on the table beside you. Here, on is the preposition. The old claim that it's wrong to end a sentence with a preposition has been utterly debunked. It's not true and it never was true. There is no one else to hide behind. Here, the sentence is grammatically correct and natural. Prepositions are short words on, into that usually stand in front of nouns. There are 6 types of prepositions. 1. Preposition of time, preposition of place, preposition of direction, preposition of agent, preposition of instruments, and prepositional phrases. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.